We are at DM West Manufacturing, the largest manufacturing show in North America. We're here today to talk about Industry 4.0, the fourth generation or the fourth revolution in the manufacturing industries.
So do you think the manufacturing industry as a whole is ready for Industry 4.0 and making use of all this new technology?
That is a fantastic question. As a whole, the industry is not, because they have skipped this step of digitizing all of their existing processes before they can take more digital input into them. In fact, it just so happens that we feel like CMMSs, ERPs, those kinds of systems are that vital step to Industry 4.0. First, digitize what you already have, make sure it's a system that all of the users love. Usability is really important. And then once you have that in place, that's when the sky's the limit when it comes to digital input to trigger human action.
They've been trying to be ready for a long time, so it's taking longer, I think, than people expect. But
Why do you think that is?
it's complicated, right? All the different pieces of equipment have to connect to things, and retrofitting equipment to do what you want to do. It just takes time.
Medical device side, really going to full integrated digitization. I think they're moving a lot slower than other industries. We came out of semiconductor back end. Silicon photonics, one of the most advanced industries today. That traceability, we've been able to fully digitize traceability as manufacturing flows, and create huge ROI, huge benefits, faster time to market, lower cost, those kind of things. And maybe some parts of that industry are not as regulated as medical device, and so they're a little bit. I think they're a little bit more freer to move quickly and digitize it fully. But the interest is really strong.
Speaking from our industry, we work a lot with the quality management people, quality engineers. They're very interested. A lot of them are still using paper documents, paper trails to do their quality with, and they've moved on to now it's like all of ours is a paperless environment. A lot of them require or built on Microsoft Excel. Well, ours is built on an internal database, so you don't have spreadsheets all over. It's all built on the same thing, so everybody gets the same data when they're using it, creating reports or looking at information. It's all on the same data.
Being able to connect into our machines and being able to provide our customers support globally, remotely, has been absolutely critical. And where before some customers would maybe rely more on that in-person contact, on the in-person service calls, from a machine uptime point of view, us being able to remote monitor our machinery and be able to provide diagnostics, feedback, and information, and the integration integration has been absolutely critical for them. In addition to that, because of the technology within our machine base, we're able to connect each of the processes together and have our machines talk to each other and connect and integrate through automation. And as our customers have seen the crunch on labor and skilled labor resources, they've lent on us more and more and more to provide those automated services.
Today, technology is one of the driving factors of this industry, so being able to have everything secure, accessible, and being able to access everything remote is a huge plus for companies. We're seeing a lot of companies here that are trying to enable that technology, and they know that it's something that's coming up in the future, so we're excited to tell them what Iron Orbit does and how we can help get there.